Welcome back to my corner. Let's make these peanuts together. I have 3 cups of granules here, raw granules, and I'll just go ahead and pick out the bad ones and any dirt that is inside. Actually, this granite is fresh and very neat. So you sieve your flour, break your eggs, and mix all your wet ingredients together. To the dry ingredients, I'm adding in half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. Just mix this together and we are ready to mix now. You sprinkle or drizzle your liquid content onto the granules and shake vigorously. Then sprinkle the flour and give it a good shake. You have to shake very well so that all the granules will be well incorporated into the ingredients. So I did this portion by portion because my bowl is a bit small. If you have a larger bowl, you can do all at once, and if you don't have it, you can do this do it in portions, and just so you can control whatever it is you are doing. And you want to do it bit by bit. If not, you are going to have too much lumps that you don't want to. It's not going to be funny when you have lumps, like the granules sticking together in lumps. You won't find it funny at all. So it's better this way. You add little by little at a time and continue coating and shaking until you get your desired texture. The granite is well coated. May looking at it, you'll know that it's well coated. But I'm going to show you how it looks like very soon. There's a hack I saw and I actually tried this behind the camera and it was also nice. If you don't like eggs as such, or you don't even want to use egg, you can actually use, let's say, 1 egg and you add a little bit of water and your sugar. And you can even do without egg at all. Just add your sugar into your water and you can continue with this process. And it turned out well. Actually, I just did egg and a little bit of water and it was also very nice. So you can also try that out, especially when you want to do for commercial purpose. You can also use that method. It turned out well also. This is what I was trying to say about the mixing. So this is how the granite looks like, the coated part of it. So just use your hand and separate the ones that are sticking together and just rub your hands around it. Fry on medium heat, not too high and not too low, so that it fries evenly and very well. And do not overcrowd your oil, and just shake gently at first so that you will not shape or you will not disfigure the peanuts, because the shapes are so nice. So when it's brown but not too deep brown, just light brown, you bring it out of the oil so that as it cools down it gets more crunchier. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by, and if you're new here, please click the red subscribe button. See how fresh and nice our peanuts are. Please do give this a try, and a trial will convince you definitely. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.